Good. Well, I like passive-aggressive Pokemon, so this works perfectly. For the catch Pokemon. Alright. How many Mega Shards do I have? Am I tapped out? Yes. No, because I used Lady Clear for a moment, but now I'm maxed. Okay, now I need to look for some Pokeballs. Another reason why I mentioned this is definitely a ghost type expansion as well is because some of my favorite Pokemon were re-added to the game. Mimikyu being one, another one is Palossand. I'm sitting here thinking, you know, I really did like Alola, didn't I? Too bad I don't have a modded DS, otherwise I'd stream that at some point. I think there's an Alpha Swablu over there or something. Wouldn't mind an Alpha Dratini because, well, I already have an Alpha Dragonite, so whatever. Ooh, I almost didn't make that. I am also disappointed at Golden Go Shiny. They didn't change anything. You know, it would be nice and would make a lot of sense for it to be silver. Because how does it get around? On a surfboard. The Silver Surfer. This stuff writes itself. And it's like, but wouldn't that lead to some lawsuits? It's like, no. What are two mega powers going to sue each other? What will that accomplish? Disney and Nintendo suing each other. The never-ending lawsuit. I don't think I'm going to have enough time to get this Pokeball. I think I know where it is, but yeah, it's in an area where I can't really reach, and I'm almost out of time. Okay, so do I have enough to... I gotta leave, right? Electric zone, huh? Alright. Some of these mad donuts, might as well use them up. Oh, my. It's Pikachu! Since this is only I think this is only a 2-star area, there's no way we're going to find any alpha trainers. Might as well just call this the Pikachu zone at this point. Whoa, where'd you come from? Yeah, I definitely was caught off guard with that one. Ah, the hyper battle zones are... I like the ambiance. Turn your back to me. Yes! Where in the world did you come from? Now I understand why they say Dragonite is a speedrunning master for this game. One thing I need to do is I need to find a try to find at least an alpha shiny Salamence. Wish me luck on that, because that's another Pokemon that bears semblance in this Pokemon RP. And this character does use it in an alternate timeline because I belong to her brother. Trying to get out of the way, but oh well. Guess we're just going to do this the hard way, aren't we? Break as many Pokeballs as you can find. This is how you find the XP candies and the berries. There's a nurse up here. Now just looking for the bonus ball. And I can leave. Oh, I guess there are alpha trainers here. Interesting. Whack! I don't have tons of uses for Seeds of Mastery at this point, but typically I'll just sell them off because they don't do anything after a certain point. And where in the world is this Pokeball? Oh, there it is. Alright. One trainer in my way. Hey, 2 for the price of 1. Alright. Let's get out of here. Alright. Okay, with Staraptor level 100 now. Bam, 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 bam. No prize medals earned. No. It's like I wasn't even trying. Okay. Held items. Guess I'll be lame. Just use that. This could be cheeky. Okay, so we need 3 of these. 3 of these. 1 of these. And 1 of these. Gee, I wonder who we're fighting. Voila! The Badger's crawler is complete. When the time comes, we'll pour as much Mega Evolution power into that pastry as we can. And that'll give Hoopa a burst of power on par with Mega Evolution. Then, once we get into the distortion above the tower, we can finally see the Pokemon in there. This is gonna work. I'm counting on my main crew. Let's do this, you two. You know it. Let's get out to the tower. Corbo's waiting. Well, I will also say that I will also defend Heatran because it's probably one of the stronger lesser legendaries. I call them lesser legendaries because they're allowed in most tournaments. They are not classified as Uber. Galarian, your mask. That is Glamora. Alright, here we go. Gotta make sure that I'm prepared for this mess. Let's save beforehand, too. Might be a good idea. Here's our Team MZ power trio. It's time to follow this distortion into hyperspace Lumios and take on the Pokemon behind all this. Are you ready? If this is what it takes to help everyone, then I'm ready to fight. I'm the Mega Evolution successor. No way am I going to say no. So I assume you're ready as well. I'm all set. Why don't you go instead? I thought so. Guess I didn't really need to ask. Let's see that Bad Dreams crawler you made. Looks good. I knew the rest in the kid's signature Epic Noir would come through. Time to roll, Philippe. Summon everyone to Centrico Plaza. Alright everyone, can you see my screen? I've marked where I want each of you. Everyone confirm your post and stand by. The plan itself I understand, but I fail to grasp why you are the one giving orders. We need our strongest trainers working together if we're going to save Lumios. Especially you, Jacinth. Wouldn't want a trainer of your caliber stuck managing logistics. I'm just freeing you up. Now, go make Operation Mega Donut happen. I poured my heart and soul into making my canary breads. Also, some other pastry could save the day. Hooper needs donuts, Pops. It's all ringy. Well, it's Hooper's loss. Canary bread is the best. Ah, G-Volt. Is this your post, little, Gwyn, was it? It's fine, Pops. G-Volt can hang here. We're buds. More importantly, they're seriously planning to Mega Evolve donuts? They are. Hopefully we can finish before Ivor arrives. Yeah, about that. Gwen! Where's Gwen? Yeesh. Looks like Ivor's been galumphing around the city for ya. Looking for ya. Guess we got to protect Lumios. If we don't, who'll drink our delicious coffee? Perhaps this is the true calling of Team Flare Nouveau. I'd race on Detra. Here you go again, making everything existential. Can we just get on with the helping people? How characteristically pragmatic, Gretel. You know, I would be overjoyed if you could bring dear Grisham along with you to join my upcoming Magnifique Super Deluxe tournament. I told you, you come to me if you want to battle. Lady just said, time is short. We must commence the operation. Goodness, Laban. Yes, Lady Jacinth? You managed to successfully sneak up behind me even in holographic form. I am all astonishment. You have improved considerably. All thanks to your constant battling or your strict guidance, Lady Jacinth. I suppose we better prepare too. We are prepared! We believe in you all. Don't worry, we're 3 of the strongest trainers in Lumios. Well, Karina and Nitsua are at least. I heard that, Naveen. You're getting a dish of some extra special curry when we celebrate. If there's something left to celebrate after all this, I'll shovel down whatever you make. Ansha, can you hear us? Right? Make sure to cheer Hoopa on. I certainly will. Good luck, all of you. Emma will be here soon. We'll pour all the Mega Evolution power we got into that donut. Whoa, so this is the view from on top of Prism Tower. I knew we'd be high up, but what a sight. Can't believe I'm up here again. This tower and I must have some special bond. Even looking up at this weird distorted sky, I feel oddly calm. I think it's because I know we're going to use Ansha's donut to help a Pokemon in need. Indeed. I believe in you all. Everyone's in position down here. How's it look up there, Natsura? We're good to go. Thought you would be. Here goes. Let Operation Mega Donut begin! What a name.